Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix laptop overheating while idle on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by to logic icons and select power options. Select create a power plan option and select here power saver and type here very low and select next option. And now select the create option and the plan has been created guys. Select the change plan settings next to it. Select change advanced power settings. Scroll down and in processor power management expand it. In maximum processor state set this to 55. If you have a battery and plugged in option under maximum processor state, set both to 55 and select apply and OK for save changes. Now your CPU speed will be reduced and fix overheating problem. So whenever you want great performance, then you just need to select in here high performance option. But the temperature will be increased because the processor speed is increasing. Select a very low power option. This very low power option will useful when you are not gaming or doing heavy task. As you can see, the speed is reduced and the temperature will also be reduced. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.